Oh, we got it. Oh, it's a good one. I didn't even... Whoa! Holy shnipies. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, man, that was such a quiet little... Oh, man, all right. Not smart, but I'm going to do this. I'm not sure if you can... Holy moly. It's a big bass. All right. He's probably 3.5 or 4 pounds. See if I can do this without actually hurting myself. Oh, man. That's a big mouth. Glad I got that on film. Man, he was right. Oh, man, I think I'm gonna need the pliers for this guy. Good thing I brought my bag. Definitely a big one. Man, he was not coming off of that. That's at least good. It's a pretty good pig, man. He's got belly on him too. All right, get out here, big boy. Can I release you?